Right, I'm back. I'll take these off, the rockers, and then we'll take the push rods out as well. I'll have to label them so they go back in the right holes. I don't think it'll make too much of a problem, but for sanity's sake, we'll do that. And then we'll take the head bolts off, see if we can get one of the heads off. Then if that works, we'll do the same again on the other side. So I've got that head off. As you can see, one of the cylinders hanging out. It got stuck inside the head as I was prising it up, so not the end of the world. But we've got all the push rods out, this one. And what I've done is labelled them, so like cylinder 1 inlet, cylinder 3 exhaust, just to make life easier when we put it back together. Obviously these only go in one way, so it's not a problem, but I've done it, so I've layered it. So the bottom one is the left bank, the even bank, and the right one on the top is the odd bank. But yeah, it's going all right. I'm just going to take that head off quick, and then we'll have a look what we got. So I should be able to get the cam out now as well, which I believe is in there. So we'll yeah, we'll get that off, see what we can do. I did notice as well this housing, because the housing was cracked and it was leaking. As you can see, the fucking all the pink shit. But that's stuck on there, so we're gonna have to try and get that off as well. So all the pink shit. But yeah, other than that, it's going all right. Nothing's snapped yet. Touch wood. So, I've got the circlip out. I've just now got to find a way of getting the gudgeon pin out. Because once I get that out, I can then pop the cylinder off and then do the same for the other side. The other side won't be too bad because I can actually reach down in there. Same with this one. So I'll have to rotate the engine, obviously. But once I've got them apart, we're pretty much there. Taking the block apart isn't too much of a problem. It's only a couple of bolts around the back side, a couple here, some studs, and then there's some internally as well. But most of it is pretty good. So that's a piston and a cylinder out. Piston was a bit of a fucking bastard, but it seats in there in the crankcase, and then there's a little O-ring seal at the bottom of it. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. Obviously this bit's submerged in water, that's why it looks so crusty. So we'll knock that off before we put it back in. But the actual cylinder itself is in a really good condition. Let's pop it up here. I need to sort this out, that's for sure. Right. Piston's in pretty good nick. But the actual, look at that cross hatching. That boy's minty fresh. Give it a little bit of a clean up, replace the O-rings. That can go back in, not a problem. If I don't get the fucking piston stuck in it. There's a lot of shit up this top edge, so it's a bit tight, but anyway, we'll leave that there. One done. I've just written number 1 on that, and that's not cylinder 1 at all, it's cylinder fucking 2. I'll change that. But yeah, so that's not too bad at all. There's no real wear on any of it. Yeah, just got the rest of them to do, so I'll whip them out off camera and Germany. I'll do. Yeah, I'm waffling. This is it. So 4 cylinders, 3 pistons, 2 heads. Still got the other piston in here, but I need to get another set of circlip pliers because I can't quite get these bastards out. For this one, I think I got the piston 4 out just by pure luck, to be honest with you. And then we're gonna have to look at getting these studs out. So I'm probably gonna spray these studs up anyway. We'll have a look at the seal kit in another video. Probably when we're putting it back together. But we got a box of rings. Whether they're gapped or not, I don't know. I imagine they probably got a standard gap. But that's something we'll have to have a look at. Find out what the gap is. Try them in the cylinders, because the cylinders are good, so they just need resealing, going back in. These are supposed to go together quite easily. You're supposed to put the piston rings and piston in the sleeve, lower it onto the rod, and then put the gudgeon pin in and is it gudgeon pin? Is that what they're called? I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. I might be wrong. I think I'm being stupid. I don't know. Anyway, put that in and circle it in, and then obviously seat the cylinder down in here. There's a O-ring seal that comes off. There's one of them. That's sat down at the bottom. These are the other ones. They're very small. Replace them anyway. Obviously all of this is filled with water, so that's all that's doing is sealing water from them. Technically it shouldn't be under pressure down here anyway. Other than like coolant pressure, which is what, 9-10 psi. And then on top of the actual cylinders here is another O-ring there, and then there's an actual fire ring that goes in there. It's just labelled up, which that's basically your head gasket. There's a rubber seal here that's seals the water jacket, but other than that there's nothing else that does. It's only that fire ring that seals that off. But I'm going to call it there because I've had enough, to be honest with you. And I need to get another circlip pliers to get that out. Big set, 45 degree, should come out nice and easy. But yeah, that's it for now. Au revoir.